My name's Annie Davis, and I've been a customer at Steve's Automotive for about 4 years now. I've always felt that the employees here at Steve's Automotive have treated me like family. One of the biggest ways is that I've never once doubted that I could trust them on what their recommendations are and that they're coming from a good place. I don't know a lot about cars, and that's always put me in a vulnerable position when I go into an auto shop. I love that I always feel really confident in the recommendations and also just the education behind why the employees at Steve's make the recommendations they do. I think it's a world of difference compared to being upsold, which is what I've experienced before, and having to make the decision on my own of if an air filter looks dirty enough or if that's even important. I think another really important piece of it and what I love about coming here is that it doesn't feel like a one-size-fits-all checklist that they go down, hoping that I say yes or buy a bunch of the items on it. It's always felt very personal, and in fact, I usually end up leaving way more educated and feeling more empowered about what was going on with my car in the first place, and that has made a world of difference. I have had such good experiences that I've gone out of my way to recommend them to people that I know are in positions like me that they don't know a ton about their vehicle and they really need someone they can trust.